This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I'm in Church Hill, and today we're going to take a look at a 5-bedroom, 4-bath home. This home is located here in a renovated block in Church Hill. A lot of these homes in Church Hill are undergoing renovation or have recently undergone renovation, and it is just an amazing transformation. This area is extremely popular as a result. As I was sitting down this morning enjoying my coffee and banana nut muffin, I'm trying to incorporate a little bit more fruits and vegetables in my diet, I came across an email, and the email said broker open, and it had just ended by the time I looked at my email. I noticed that there was a very high bathroom count on this beautiful home. The pictures just spoke to me. So I called Eliza Conrad with Shaheen, Ruth, Martin, and Fonville, the listing agent, and I said, hey, I'd love to do a little video on your property. It just looks amazing, and I know my viewers will like it as well. She graciously agreed and wanted to bring this to you for a number of reasons. We have so many unique features here in this property, things that I haven't really seen before. One of them is a third level. As you look across the street, you can see that most of these homes are simply 2-level homes, and that third level does a whole lot in regard to giving us more square footage. This home would be ideal if we had a multi-generational family or a situation where you needed that bedroom bathroom count over and above just the normal bedrooms for the residents. You could, of course, repurpose some of those rooms to home office or the space as needed. Okay, as we come in, I love what they did here. We've got, I believe, some luxury vinyl plank on the floor, nice open floor plan. I'm just really enjoying these colors. They did a great job with the color palette. Of course, the home being staged really makes a great statement. It shows you what can happen. All you have to do is basically just move in. One of the focal points here in this kitchen was this island. I really love what they did here. I believe this may be a granite type material, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. Here on the opposite side, they did an accent cabinet. If you notice, the main cabinets are white. These are a dark gray at the island, so I really love that look. That combined with the backsplash, the nice deep sink with the modern fixtures, the stainless steel appliances, all of them just make a huge statement. Very good looking, modern, well-appointed kitchen. As if that was not enough, we do of course have a walk-in pantry. They didn't forget much when it comes to giving some really nice amenities here on this home. One of the challenges with older homes, and especially with renovations, is getting all the things in that today's modern buyer is looking for. And they definitely were up to the task on this one. One of the other big benefits that I love here is that we were able to get a first floor bedroom and a first floor full bath here in this beautiful home. Great custom tile work. We've got a nice looking, I believe that's a granite or a quartz countertop there with that vanity. The door takes us through to an additional bedroom here on the first floor. I'm going to go through the hallway so you can maintain proper orientation. And here we are. This is that first floor bedroom. Our door to the bathroom is right there. All of these bedrooms have really nice sized closets. They did a great job with that. That is one of the challenges with these older homes, is getting good closet space. And then as we go to the rear of the home, I really love what they did here. This is a feature that we see all the time in new construction. The thought process is you come in through the door, then you can hang your jacket, put your clogs down there underneath the bench. Great design. I love that detail that they put into the home. Okay, as we come back to the rear, we of course have a little deck. They put a bench there to the left. Dual zone heating and air. If you remember from previous videos, it's important in these older homes to have that second zone, and that way you get good control over your heating and cooling for all the levels. Low maintenance exterior. Not going to have any problems with paint. We've got vinyl soffits so you'll have good, low maintenance living here in this beautiful home. Okay, let's go on back through. We're going to pop up to the second floor. One of the things that brokers do, have a listing that they think is going to be very popular. They will market it to other agents and brokers, and their thought process is that if I'm working with a buyer and this home fits, they now have my attention, and I can of course share it with my buyer client. So very smart move to do that. Statistics say that about 20% of the agents sell about 80% of the homes in any given market. So you've got some agents that are very high producers that will definitely get the job done. And that's who you want to work with, are the people that are doing something in the business. Okay, we have a front bedroom here, nice and bright. I love the fact that they put the recessed lights and the ceiling fans into, I think, just about all of these bedrooms. They were even smart enough to think ahead and give us our electric and our cable for your television. Here to the left is going to be our third level. We're going to pop up there momentarily, but this is going to be bedroom number 3. This is the most conservative of the bedrooms. This will be a great space here for a home office. We've got the nice big closet there as well. Here on the hallway, we do have a second floor laundry, and I know a lot of viewers love that second floor laundry. You don't have to worry about lugging laundry up and down the steps. Beautiful appointed hall bath. I just love the color scheme that they went with here. To the left is going to be that laundry that I just mentioned. Your washer dryer would go there. We've got a brand new electric water heater there in the corner. This is going to be the primary suite. Now, a couple things about this space. This is a vaulted ceiling. Not very common to see a vaulted ceiling here in a historic property. This is something that you see typically in new construction. So very nice detail there. It gives you the illusion of the room being bigger than it actually is. This is a very good sized primary bedroom. Your television would go right there. And we transition now into our primary bathroom. In this primary bathroom, we do have a nice walk-in shower. Delta shower head, that's rated at 1.75 gallons per minute. Okay, let me give you a shot here of this nice big vanity we have. And I believe that's a quartz material. All these cabinets pick up the same style and color theme that we see downstairs in the kitchen. All right, let's make our way back through. We are going to take a look at our third level. And I really like the fact that you could have someone up there that can have their own full bath up on the third level. Just a really nice plus. If you notice, we don't have any carpet in this house whatsoever. So if you are an allergy sufferer, or if you have a four-legged friend and carpet's not the best material in the world for them, this house might be ideal for you. Okay, nice big windows there in the front. Once again, very good closet space. That's closet number 1. And then we have closet number 2 here. Once again, they did the connections for that television. I just love when they think about some of these little details in advance and make life much easier for you when you actually move in. Love that light fixture that they used here in this staircase. Another closet right here at the top of the stairs. And then we have our fourth and final bathroom. Now, great use of space here. They went ahead and put a makeup table in. That is a electronic lit medicine cabinet mirror. I don't know if there's a medicine cabinet behind it, but it looks like there is. It is a lit mirror which gives you good even light all the way around. I personally don't put on makeup, but if you do, that is a great light to have, and it just makes the task much easier. Once again, we've got the double vanity and our stand-up custom shower here in the corner. They just did a great job here with that tile work. I love the way it looks. You've got the recessed light above. Just very nice details. Okay, if you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help you. I can be reached on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Let me know what you think about this house. I think this is a winner, and I want you to comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.